Let's give a big round of applause.
Have to go for a meeting in Delhi. I know nothing about politics that time. I went to the office. Where do I collect about? I did not know about the location of the polytechnic also. This is the way you go and collect EPR. I still remember Bakompai, Bagorbin, Barome. I think we all went to Noida that time. NPI, remember NPI. In the flight, I was going through the DPR. Sir Kadim has a generous enough. He said, this whole building you can take over. So near the footprint, we took over. Then we started this thing, and there's so many problems